Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. I'm going to tell you some tips that I use to find tattoo artists because I feel like I got some good tips, and in case anyone needs it, this video is for you. Just a reminder, my merch is still available. Social media isn't reality. I will be posting new merch next week, Thursday, October 5th. So get excited for that because I'm very excited. I'll most likely wear it in my next video, which is fun, and this is a highly requested one. So sorry, I just opened my hair because I'm so tired. I'm not like functioning today. Wait, I'll remind you when it's up and post on the community part of YouTube. But yes, it's a highly requested one as well, especially for those of you who follow me on Instagram. If you don't follow me already, here is my Instagram and my TikTok. So the first thing that I usually do when I'm looking for a tattoo artist is searching the city that I'm in or the city that I'm looking for tattoo artists in, and then tattoo. For example, when I first came to Brighton and knew that there were so many tattoo artists here, I was like, oh, okay, cool. I can search Brighton tattoo, like hashtag Brighton tattoo on Instagram, and then you get all of this, and then you can just scroll through it and see things that suit the style you like. Go on that artist's page and see if they actually work in the area that you're looking at, or if they were a guest artist there. If you have a lot of people that you follow and you don't want to get lost in all the things, you can save them and then put them all in a folder so that you can cross compare easier. Once you have found a few artists, with this, I would just scroll, and whenever I like something, I will either screenshot it and put it in a folder in my camera with like the tattoo artist name, so I can refer back to that when I'm like comparing all the different images and styles. Another way you can do this is just by saving it onto Instagram into like a different folder. And yeah, just skim through those pages and see if they are actually there. See if they have any highlights of healed photos or pricing or how to message them. See if it's an artist that's suited towards you. And then I think it's also important to figure out the parameters of how far you're willing to travel. Like for me, I'm living in Europe, so it's quite easy to get around, but then you have to add up the costs of, flights and hotels and all of that. So you have to really decide how far you're willing to travel and how much money you want to put into a tattoo. That's why I also recommend, if you are traveling and you want to get tattooed, to not get like a massive custom piece as well. Keep it usually smaller, on the smaller side, unless you're traveling to get the tattoo, then balls to the walls, my dude. If you're visiting a country and you're kind of like looking to get tattooed on holiday, just make sure that you are staying out of the sun and have no water activities planned, and it'll be kind of like quick and easy tattoo rather than getting a massive piece and then you're going to the beach the next day. Like, no, because your tattoo will be destroyed and then you spend all that money for nothing. And also, when you are searching for artists, I really recommend looking at the lines, if they are solid lines, and not like wonky, or really depends on the style that you're looking for. But I prefer to get lines that are solid, bold, straight, if they need to be straight. And just making sure that the tattoo artist has quite a bit of experience, unless you are fine getting tattooed by someone who's starting out. That is not me saying everyone who starts out is going to be horrible at tattooing. It's just the added risk of different artists and their capabilities, and just because an artist is really expensive doesn't mean that they will be an incredible artist, if that makes sense. So yeah, just keep in mind looking at smaller details of the art before you book in with the artist. For example, if you don't want wonky lines, and they tend to have like more wonkier lines in their tattoos that they've done, then that would be a no-go for you. Everyone always is different, and always go to who you feel the most comfortable with. This is just my general advice. Yeah, look at the line work, the shading, colors, if you're into colored tattoos, and healed pics, and compare artists. Feel free to like reach out to a few if you have a budget in mind. A lot of artists at least from my experience, don't mind if you have a budget and you mention it. They may work around it, or they may just be like, oh, I'm not the artist for you. And that's okay. You don't need to be embarrassed. It'll be fine. You got this. So with comparing different artists, you should look at past work, your budget, and their pricing, if they have pricing available, or you can ask them the location that they're at and how much it'll cost to travel to them. And then you can use that in the calculations when you're picking your artist, because you have to add up the travel costs as well, which is a thing that I sometimes don't think about, because I'm like girl mathing it and I'm like, oh, but it's cheaper in this area, but not taking into account the fact that I have to travel there. Obviously, their style and their experience in the style that you want. You don't want to go to an artist with a completely different style than what they usually tattoo. They might feel uncomfortable doing that, or it's just not something that they do. Another tip that I have is putting on notifications, post notifications, and story notifications for artists that are heavily booked, but if they are in your like top 3 artists that you want to get tattooed by, because usually they'll mention their free slots and stuff like that on their stories. For example, yesterday this artist posted a free slot that was available this coming week, but I sadly couldn't take it. But anyway, they do post them there, so then when you have your notifications on, you can quickly grab them and get the chance to be tattooed by them quicker. Another tip that I have is searching for tattoo artists on Pinterest. This is a bit of a dodgy one, but you can also search specific tattoo styles or tattoo types, and then also you can use these as reference photos then when you are showing them to your tattoo artists if they have a similar style and vibe to the artist that you found on Pinterest. For example, if you search peony tattoo, then you can get all of these different ideas, and then if you find one but it doesn't have the artist's name or anything tagged, you can click on this button and then it'll show you photo searches of that same picture and image on Pinterest, and sometimes you'll be able to find the artist through that way. So that is a fun little trick that I like to use as well, because I find a lot of cool artists, but then it also breaks my heart when they're in somewhere where I can't easily travel to, and I'm like, no! Anyway, so those are just some of my quick tips and tricks of finding a tattoo artist. I hope they helped, and I hope that you end up using some of them. Here is the rest of my videos teaching you the basics and little tips and tricks of tattoos. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and helps my page be seen by more people. And please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post. I usually post every Wednesday. I will see you next week. Bye.